Well, a man obsessed with his ex-girlfriend or the wrong man accused of murder. Those are the two scenarios a jury will now have to decide between in the trial of Jacob Ley. KITV4's Jill Kuramoto was in the courtroom for today's closing arguments.
Defendant Jacob Ley was focused and obsessed with his ex-girlfriend.
The state today portrayed Jacob Ley as a man who couldn't let his ex-girlfriend go, even after stabbing his best friend to death.
The most chilling statement he makes after his friend dies is, "Ola would want this for us."
Wanting them to get back together is what prosecutors say Ley wanted. And even without a recorded confession, prosecutors say the physical evidence doesn't lie.
He can't tell you where he was between 3:04 and 3:09. Because if he were to tell you, he'd have to tell you he was in the stairwell.
Person who murdered Brent Kanai is not Jacob Ley.
Ley's attorney says the physical evidence proves his client couldn't be the murderer because he doesn't have the skill nor strength to stab Kanai, a 23-year-old cook at Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, in the stairwell of Ala Moana Center.
You'd have to pull back, stab, and then you can generate some power doing that. However, when you do that, you sacrifice speed and you sacrifice accuracy.
But prosecutors say an attack from behind left Kanai with little defense.
The knife and the surprise were the equalizers in this case.
The jury began deliberations today to decide if Ley is guilty of second-degree murder or not. A verdict that could come tomorrow, exactly a year to the date of the murder. At Circuit Court, Jill Kuramoto, KITV4 News.
If convicted, Ley could face life in prison with the possibility of parole.